Hi everyone, this is Deb, and this is another video for the Craft Fair Variety series, and this is making, oops, sorry guys, oh my gosh, that was a little close, but anyway, this is making card kits. So I made these cute little card kits, and each kit makes 4 cards. There's 4 envelopes, 4 card bases, and then 4 card mats, and then some accent pieces and some sentiments or images. And anyway, this would be a great thing to make for craft fairs. And I'm going to go through and show you all of them that I've made. And something you should do, or not should, but you might want to do, let me show you something, is I figured it out after I had been making them. So you can't see all of the paper in here that is included. And so what I did is I switched 2 of the sheets over on the back and put 2 of the accent pieces on the back so you could see all the paper. Oh, and I forgot to put one of my card making stickers. I make these stickers with my Munbin printer. But anyway, I'm going to go through all of these so you can see. Here's one. I love this. I use that Michael's paper, Be My Valentine and Sweet on You. I only purchased it in the 6x6. You could probably make a lot more kits if you have the 12x12, but that's all I did. I just used my 6x6 kits. And you could buy those coordinating stickers at Michael's and add those. Some of these, see, I put the donut sticker in there. Some of these have that in it. I made quite a few. I'll have to count them. I don't know how many I made, but I think these would be a great addition to a craft fair. And if you package them where you can see both, you know, all 4 of the paper involved, then that would be great. Let's see, I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, wow, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And look at this. I smashed this pad. Smashed that pad. And that pad. Oh my goodness. Now that's how I made other projects with these pads, but yes, my goal this year is to use all my paper and try not to buy anything. Well, that obviously I did not succeed. I did buy that new paper. But anyway, just what would you charge for these? I'm just curious what you would charge for these. And, you know, there's enough in here to make 4 cards and the decorations for them. What would your market, you know, what would your market withstand? I would think I would charge anywhere $5 on up. So just a suggestion. If you have any questions, please comment below. And oh, by the way, I just picked a sketch that was super easy to cut, a 6x6 sketch off of Pinterest. You can find many. I just wanted something super simple to cut, and I didn't want to have to cut a ton of pieces. But you do you know, you do whatever sketch works for you. Just find a sketch that works with whatever size paper you have, whether it's 12 by 12 or 6 by 6, 8 by 8, you know, whatever you have. But anyway, I'm very proud that I did use all of these collections. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.